The following story is a magical adventure about gratitude, friendship, and the power of unity. In the kingdom of Farlandia, where all kinds of miracles can happen, there is a princess named Aurora. She is a very kind person and has a kind heart. On a warm summer day, while she was walking in the fragrant flower garden of the palace, Aurora realized that she was not grateful enough for the wonderful things that life had brought her. Early one morning, Aurora woke up and looked out the window, realizing that the sun was rising and a new day had begun. She decided to create an adventure to be grateful for everything around her. She sets a plan, from meeting and helping people to visiting the most beautiful places in the kingdom. But before she can begin her journey, Aurora needs to find a companion. That's when she met Alvin, a small and very smart mouse. Alvin is always ready to help everyone, and especially Aurora. With Alvin's company, Aurora begins her journey. They visited the people of the kingdom, from farmers to talented craftsmen. Everyone was very happy and grateful when Aurora and Alvin came to visit and help them. While they traveled through deep forests and across shady rivers, Aurora and Alvin met many different animals. They helped a tiger trapped in a trap and saved a deer that had lost its way back home. Every time she helps a creature, Aurora feels her heart become warmer and happier. Finally, after a long journey and many interesting experiences, Aurora and Alvin reached the end of the kingdom, where a high mountain rose into the blue sky. There they found an ancient temple dedicated to giving thanks and gratitude. Entering the temple, Aurora and Alvin stood before a statue of a grateful god, who held a yellow flower in his hand. They give thanks for all the wonderful things life has brought them, from sunshine to the warmth of friendship. As the sun set, Aurora and Alvin stood up and looked at each other with meaningful eyes, understanding that gratitude is not just about saying thank you, but also about deeply feeling and experiencing all good things in life. With hearts full of gratitude, they returned to the palace, ready to welcome every new day with joy and hope.